Dumpster rental service in Washington, Indiana. Managing a cleanup project becomes much easier when you have a dependable dumpster rental service in Washington, Indiana, by your side. At MK Rolloffs, we specialize in providing the right dumpster for every type of job, from small home cleanouts to large commercial renovations. Every project is unique, so we offer various dumpster sizes to fit your needs. Our team is known for timely delivery and pickup, ensuring your project stays on schedule. We're always available to guide you in selecting the best dumpster for your job. Customer satisfaction is our priority, and we aim to make the rental process as easy as possible. We provide transparent pricing with no hidden fees, so you'll never be surprised. As a local business, we know what Washington residents need and work hard to deliver excellent service. Our dumpsters are clean, durable, and ready to handle all kinds of waste. We're here to help you focus on your project without worrying about the mess. Call MK Rolloffs today at 812-798-7308 and see why customers trust us for their dumpster rental needs. Let's keep your project on the right track.